Evening and congratulations. We saw your Yan. But can you take us through with the awards that you've won for which song or composition or artist? The microphone is here. Turn on.
Hello.
Ayan, okay.
So we won for Kalakal
By?
and Glock 9.
Yan, so collab.
Yes po, yes.
Yan. Kamusta naman the award, winning the award?
Nakakakaba po sa una kasi baby pa lang po talaga yung company namin. We started last year and SB19 was the first parang second client natin na medyo malaki. So sobrang happy namin na nanalo siya agad. So yun po, sobrang saya.
Tsaka po, nagulat din po kami na nanalo siya ng Cover Art of the Year. And grateful din po kami sa lahat ng artists na kasama namin kasi ang dami po talagang artists na gustong makapagtrabaho. Lalo na with SB19 kasi nga the way they want to uplift the local scene ng arts. Special mention na po kay Miko Del Rosario, yung aming 3D artist. Tsaka kay Mako Pasahero po, yung aming animator din for that music video.
I'm Alan po, the director po of Kalakal po. So we're from 10:30 to Love po. So yun nga po, baby company lang po kami, last year lang po. And grabe din po yung tiwala na binigay sa amin ng SB19. And also working with them and Sir Glock 9, very collaborative din po talaga na hindi po kami nahirapan when it comes sa ideas kasi very helpful lahat po. Thank you po.
Yan. Congratulations. We have room for one question. So who will shoot? Jacob, please take that microphone na lang para easier. Ay, tabo. Wait lang. Yan, kasi we're live na live. Congratulations again while we wait.
Thank you po.
Yan. Or, okay, ito na lang muna. Please use this muna. Sorry.
Congratulations, Kalakal. Big winner siya dun sa categories na napalalunan. And expect nyo ba yun na you bag 3 awards for that song, Kalakal?
Hindi po. Pero siguro po, surprising man, naisip rin po namin na talagang deserve ng buong team po. Kasi grabe talaga yung preparation, grabe yung collaboration, yung puso na binuhos namin sa project na to. So, kahit po, hindi namin siya in-expect. Nung na-receive namin parang deserve. Parang yun po.
Can you guys brief na kung ano yung story kung paano na po yung collaboration ng SB19 and Glock 9? Sino yung nauna? Like,
siguro po, from yung brief lang po na nila sa amin.
Yeah.
So, idol po talaga kasi nila si Glock 9.
Oh.
So, nung nagkaroon po ng opportunity to have the collaboration, talagang nung preparation natin, sobrang from Kuya Yani nung 1Z, talagang galingan natin, parang yung brief na parang sana sobrang maging worth it nitong first chance to work with Glock 9. To parang may pakita na kaya natin as a small company to do this big of a project. So yun po.
Tsaka it was one of the chances din po na every member of SB19 also wrote their own singing lines.
oh,
Tsaka nakita naman natin na as in, kumbaga nag-shine din yung rap lines nila, especially si Stell po. And sobrang na-enjoy niya and working up to the project, lahat po talaga sila excited dun sa magiging kalalabasan niya and nung nakita na namin ang buong buo.
Sa set.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Nung nakita na po namin yung set din, kasi kung naalala niyo po or napanood niyo yung music video, isa po siyang malaking set na kanya-kanya sila ng paninda. Kasi po Kalakal is about selling something.
Yeah.
And the song is about selling music. So yun po, parang yung term nila lapag ang ipon pag kami nagtitinda. So timely lang din kasi sobrang lahat po ng merch din nila parang sold out din po. So parang sobrang true to the lyrics yung events na nangyayari. So, yun po.
Okay, thank you so much. Meron pang naghabol. Isang question daw
Okay po.
from TVI. Sir Alan Policarp.
Hi guys, congratulations.
Thank you.
I just like to know your thoughts about yung importance of having yung strong visuals in helping to sell a song. Especially these days, di ba parang ano talaga siya, kailangan talaga you have strong visuals to stand out sa social media and all those.
Ganda po ng tanong niyo. Kasi po dito, traditionally sa Philippines po talaga, very visual po talaga yung ating bansa. Sa lahat, the way we do it sa ads, the way we storytell things, yung commercials natin, everything. Na kumbaga, it has to have, siguro sa visuals lang po namin sa 1032, the way we do things is, every decision in terms of visuals should have meaning. Lahat po yan. Siguro, one of the best examples is yung we did the branding and visual direction for Simula at Wakas. From the intro film to hanggang napunta na siya sa Philippine Arena. And making sure that every color, every detail, everything na natatanggap ng fans helps tell the story po ng buong campaign, whichever that is. As for Kalakal po talaga, sobrang nag-enjoy kami kasi as of the moment, I guess it's the most Filipino thing that we have ever done. Yung culture natin, gusto namin talaga i-culture yung naglalako ka na, kumbaga, lahat ng pwede mo pagkasya sa isang motorsiklo kakayanin ng Pinoy. Kumbaga, yung passion natin na hindi siya, even after ng online selling na Verge, hindi nawala yung paglalako. Tsaka yung, kung gaano ka-vibrant yung markets natin, kung gaano siya ka-lively. Yun yung gusto namin i-translate into a cover art, into a music video, into an entire visual campaign po.
Tapos siguro po to add din yung how does a visual campaign affects a release of music. So, pagkagaya po ng sinabi ni Luis, kasi po very visual nga po tayo mga Pilipino, na parang hindi lang siya basta kung ano yung naririnig mo kung ano yung na-experience mo as a whole, lahat ng senses. Parang kailangan nating tamaan pag nag-release tayo. So parang yung naging malaki po namin inspiration on creating visuals, especially po for SB19 and upcoming clients namin is kailangan it's an experience. Hindi lang siya basta auditory. Kailangan lahat. Minsan nga kahit hawakan mo, parang ganon yung mga merch, yung mga ganyan. So ano po siya, kabit-kabit siya. So para sa isang successful visual and auditory campaign, parang ganon.
Thank you so much. Please post na lang for photos on our center stage. So, okay na ba? Or do we move forward?
Okay na po.
Thank you.
Novelty recording.
Best novelty recording for? Yan.
Atras Abante.
Atras
Introvert
Abante.
Fiesta featuring
Okay.
Aji.
Yeah, congratulations sa inyong award. So, this is our friends from the media and meron silang mga konting questions for you. So, who will shoot the first question? Wala pa. Mag-volunteer tayo. Ikaw, charot.
Hi, I'm Annie from Enderna TV. What was the inspiration behind this song?
Yung pinaka-inspiration talaga nung kanta is para siyang kanta ng pag-asa. Yung pinaka-mensahe nung kanta is kahit anumang pagsubok na dumaan sa buhay natin, laging merong mga tao na ipupush tayo na maging successful sa buhay. Kaya sugod lang ng sugod lagi.
Nice message. Congratulations.
And of course, for our friends from the media din, no, can you give us lang parang konting background, paano nagsimula kayo, and then eventually pagkapanalo ng award?
Ako talaga nagsimula ako hindi talaga as a music artist eh. Nagsimula ako as photographer, videographer, and as assistant director ni Direk Boom Dayupay ng Kulay Band dati. So doon ako nagsimula, tapos parang nakita niya ako ng potential na uy, kaya mo palang kumanta. So doon niya ako simula na gawa ng kanta. Yun na yung Atras Abante na hindi ko naman ine-expect na aabot sa ganitong punto na makaka-receive ng Awit Award. So sobrang blessed talaga from kaya patuloy lang talaga.
Correct. Congratulations about you.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm also from Introvert Fiesta. I'm here to support Aji. So, yung song niya yung nanalo. So, hoping next, yung song ko naman yung manalo under Introvert Fiesta. So, ayun. And naging inspiration ko din yung song niya. Like, for example, kanina, hindi ako kilala ng mga tao. Like, sino yan? Like, instead na ma-intimidate ako, sugod lang ng sugod. Huwag atras sa bante, di ba? Ayun. Thank you po.
In addition lang pala para sa kalaman ng mga media na kaibigan natin dito, Introvert Fiesta pala is collective siya ng mga iba't ibang music artist na may iba't ibang genre. So isa ako doon sa rock, tapos si LA naman hip-hop, femc siya.
Yun. Congratulations for your award.
Thank
so,
you, thank you.
picture lang, please pose for a photo, center stage with your